Hi guys, welcome back to RafthelsaVlogs. Today's weekend, it's a sunny afternoon right here from the Black Forest. It's good that the sunshine come out now. So you can see in the top of the mountain, the houses there are very clear because the sun already comes out now. It's already 2 o'clock, so that is why the sun comes out this time. In this area, in the Black Forest, the sun comes out very late. So the Black Forest in the other side looks green now. Looks green, very beautiful. And you can see the houses over there also, very nice, very beautiful. And this is the city building rooftop in front where I am capturing the video. And there, the other side on the cliff of the mountain is local residence. It looks like a mansion. It looks like also a palace. In Germany, a lot of beautiful houses. And it is very historical and beautiful design. So let's come up here. Let's take a look again. The beauty of this old castle on the top. Look guys, beautiful sunshine. The sky is already blue. Blue, blue, blue. So let's take a look the other side of the mountain. So the sky is blue now, is clear. And we can see the forest is also clear. But this morning, it was snowfall. Then I will show you the video that I captured, that it was covered with snow this morning. So look at there. So let's take a look down. This is the city building. As you can see, the high buildings of the Black Forest. So right there, down there is a road that is the city road. You can see there is some cars are passing. That is the city road, or the main road of the city center down below. So let's take a look again the other side of the forest. It's a majestical building. So the buildings here are very unique and beautiful design. Their buildings are already old building, but very beautiful because they maintain it. So dyan ang mga buildings nila guys. You see the tree is still bird or kalbo, no leaves because still winter season. So over there is a church. And at the back of the church, there is a way or a road going up. So you have to walk from there and going up to the highest peak of this old castle. You can see this one on the topmost. That is an old castle there. So it is more than 400 years old, this castle So if you want to see my adventure, just click on my playlist Black Forest and find the video my scary adventure to the Black Forest. It's scary because it is going there very high mountains and you have to go alone, and I'm afraid maybe there is some snakes, some bears, because you know it's forest. So the other side guys, tingnan natin, no, may mga church. There is also church there. So dito tayo. Okay. Makikita natin, we will see the other side. You see, this is like a crown. This is the design of the building. It's just like a crown. So that is the other side of the forest. So let's take a look in another side, guys. So let's take a look here. So this rooftop is the rooftop of the city buildings here. So these houses, you can see there is a road. This is the road going up to the topmost of the Black Forest. And the old castle is located in this area. This is the way going up. So this is it, guys. You see, this is the building here down. This is the city building down there. So all we can see here is only the rooftop. And there is also a church behind. So that is the church here, the tower of the church. And you can see there beautiful houses. The pine trees. The pine trees never change the color. Only the other types of trees that the leaves are gone. And during autumn, the color will change. But the pine tree never change the color and never fall down the color, the leaves when it is winter or autumn. So guys, thank you for watching this vlog, and please give a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new to RafthelsaVlogs, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. Resto puli, बहुत शुक्रिया. Merci beaucoup. Dankeschön. Terima kasih. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat, Chichi. Bidank. Buen gracias. Adios, amigas, amigos. Maasalama. Yasas. Ciao. See you in my next vlog, guys. This is Raptelsa right here from the Black Forest of Germany. So right now I am here in Germany. I am capturing my vlogs right here from the Black Forest. So sometimes I am also there in Switzerland. So I'm just traveling from one country to other, guys. That is why I have a video from Switzerland and also from Germany. Okay, that's all for today and keep safe. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Ciao.